In 2023, I will walk into greater joy and plenty. My experience will be defined by an open heaven and open doors. I'm expecting fresh oil, fresh wind, fresh rain, and fresh fire that will clear the way for and usher into my life an abundance of God's peace, strength, courage, health, wisdom, creativity, freedom, multiplication, expansion, advancement, and prosperity in every single aspect of my life. Come on. Oh, and everything that would try to hold back any of these things is already frustrated and confounded. I will walk in power, love, and soundness of mind. I will not miss a step.